Hey guys, today we're going to check out Empava. We're going to look at the Thanksgiving Day sale they just announced, and if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you how to get an extra 5% off on top of that. So you can see here we're on Empava on the Thanksgiving Day sale page they just announced, and it's giving up to 15% off on products like their whirlpools, their bathtubs, and even their kitchen appliances and bundles. So today I'm going to show you how to get an extra 5% off on top of that 15% off. We can go to the search bar and we can go to couponcove.co, or to make it easier, you can just click the link in the description of this video and it'll take you right there. Once you're here on Coupon Cove, we can search for Empava. We can open the page here. We'll check out the top code today, which is up to 15% off plus 5% off Empava Thanksgiving sale. We'll click Show Coupon Code, click Copy, and go to Offer page. That brings us straight back to the Empava website, where you can scroll through and add the products we're looking to buy to the cart. We can click Add to Cart here, and then click View Cart here. That opens up the checkout, where we can paste in our code already copied from Coupon Cove and click Apply. And then boom, there's an extra 5% off on top of that 15% off. It's important to know though that this sale and these codes are only working for a limited time, so feel free to head back to Coupon Cove and see if we've got any better codes or updated offers. We're just here at Coupon Cove making these videos to show you guys real people, trying to help you out and give you the best discounts possible. If you've got any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Thanks guys.